Okay, hi guys, we're back with another video. In this video, we're going to be playing with slime. I made this slime at my cousin's house.
Yeah, I made this at
Everybody,
my cousin.
this is this kid's dad and this kid's dad. I love this kid so much. It's my guy.
And
This one too, but he's crazy a little bit.
And I made these two. I made this one first with like blue glow-in-the-dark glue or whatever, and then I made this one with, he had an old one, but we made this new one the other day. He had an old one and it was made out of green glitter glue, and it was just too like watery, so we just threw it out. And like we made I gave my old one to him, and I have this one now because this one is like, it's smaller than this one, but it's still a slime. It's we mixed the slime that we made this with and
I got
green glitter glue, and we made this.
Green, okay.
And this is his slime. It's like it's a blue, like a bluish slime, and it has,
Can I have my
I don't know if you
slime?
can see it. Yeah, it is. And it has a bunch of different glitters in it. So does mine. This is my latest one that I made. These are all three. There's these three slimes right here. I'm gonna show you guys in a minute. And make sure to go check out my Instagram. It's at CadeCross1. And I'm gonna be posting, like, I'm gonna start posting daily on there. So make sure you go check that out. I'm gonna open this one first, and then we'll do those two. So this one is like,
Blue.
it's like a blue with a bunch of different glitters in it. It
Yeah,
has
me too.
purple-
I have too much
purple-
activator in mine, I think.
Oh, it has purple and gold glitters in it. It has purple and gold. It has purple and gold glitters in it. So it's this, and then it's like, it's kind of stretchy.
Yeah, it's kind of stretchy.
His is actually better than mine, but this one is like getting stiff. I still like it though, but like
You
this
can't
one is
have
like, his is smaller than mine, but it's still like, it feels more like slime than mine. Mine is like a mix between slime and putty,
Yes.
because like
It's so
slime would stretch,
squishy.
and this is like normal slime. If you stretch it fast, it would
Yeah.
obviously break, but when you stretch it slow, it would like stretch out far. But when you stretch this one slow, it kind of starts breaking, if you can see that, and it eventually just snaps. So and I'm gonna show you guys those two slimes in a minute, but in this container it's like an aqua and a minty green slime, so make sure to stay tuned for that. This one is, I think there's black glitter in this. I don't remember what I put in this. Yeah, there's black glitter, purple, and gold glitter in it. It's not, like I just said, it's not that stretchy. It's actually quite stiff. You can see you can tell the difference in the textures between how they look and how they feel. Like gooey slime would usually like you know how when you put you know how when you put slime down it will like sink. This one, when you put it down, it like
I want
sinks
mine.
faster than this one.
I want mine.
Here.
Don't do that.
And
either.
then this one sinks kind of slow, but it's kind of a large slime. It in the camera it might look like it's like more liquidy, but it's kind of stiff.
Yeah, it's kind of.
Yeah, it's not really
You're broke.
water, like a
You're
liquidy slime. It was
broke.
supposed to be like a fluffy
You're
slime, but
broke.
like I don't know if it's
broke.
Shh, Jace. I don't know if it's everybody's slime that does this or just mine. It's like when, I'm pretty sure it's a lot of people's. It's when you put like a lot of shaving cream in your slime, and then
Yeah.
the next day when you go to play with it, it might be still foamy like that, but then like after like 2 or 3 days, it would like all the foam would just dissolve and it just gets stiff, you know. So that's what happened to this one. I think I'm gonna move on to the next one. The next one, after when I'm done, comment down below which one is your favorite slime.
Yeah, comment down
so
below. And
there's
what's your favorite
this.
slime?
I'll do the
blue slime.
The aqua one. This one, it's a pretty good slime, and it's it's not small, but it's not big. See, it's like
But
it's
not big.
it's like this. See, earlier this slime fell on top of this one, and they mixed. So I tried to mix it in a bit, and it looks kind of brighter now. On the camera that I'm looking at right now, this is common sense, but it looks like way brighter than it is how I'm holding it right now. So like,
Yeah, like
this
I'm
one is
holding
also
it
glow in the
right
dark.
now.
I did not test if this one glows in the dark. I'm pretty sure it's gonna glow in the dark though, since we used glow in the dark glue with it. And this slime has like these microscopical like aqua cyan glitters or whatever. It's like this slime is really stretchy.
Yeah.
It's a pretty good slime. It's not
Yes.
what you would use for like,
slimy.
it's not like one of the slimes you would use for bubbles, but it's a pretty good slime. And then it was like, it got kind of green when these two mixed. It got like it used to be like the color of his shirt, I think, and it would just be like just aqua, but now it mixed. They mixed a pretty good amount, and now it's just like it's more green than it is. It's like I was gonna say ocean color, but it's not really like that. So this slime is it's like really sticky though. I mean, it used to be sticky, like normal slime. If you would squeeze it like that, it would stick to your hands. This one does stick to your hands, but like when we first made it, like the first week or two, we made this like 2-3 weeks ago. The first like week or two, it was like really not sticky. Like we kept squeezing it like this, and we were hoping it would stick to our hands because we wanted it a bit sticky. And it like doesn't stick to, like I just squeezed it like that, and it didn't stick at all to my hands. So it's a pretty good slime. It's like a aqua. I would make it yellow, like popcorn, like you could, prank somebody, but like it's not. I did make a yellow slime, but we threw that out. We made that like a month or two ago. It was not real. It was like really messy.
Yeah.
It was really messy, and like he made a big mess with it right here. It was like everywhere. It was all on his shirt. So yeah, this slime is. I think I'm gonna rate these slimes when I'm done reviewing all of them. But like this slime, it's pretty good. So I'm gonna move on to the next one now, and then after this one, I might do this one. Then we can do his, and then we'll do.
Wait a minute.
And then we'll rate them on one scale from 1 to 10. This one is like, see, if you can see the bit of blue in there from this one,
Yeah.
kind of blue now. It's it's not sticky. Like this one isn't sticky.
Yeah.
Like I just pulled it straight. Oh wait, it's sticking now.
Yeah.
So it stuck to my hand a little bit right there, but like most of the time it's not sticky. It's like it's kind of weird. See, like
Can I
so
see?
this slime is like you wanna feel it?
Yeah. What's mine?
This slime is pretty good. I did not try and make a bubble with this one yet, but it's not that much slime, so I don't think I would be able to, but I mean, I guess I'll still try. I'll try later on in the video, so if you want to see it, stay tuned for that one. If he wants to show that one. Make sure it doesn't drop in your slime, Jace. His slime is like, he's been playing with it for a while, it's kind of warm, but like his is like it looks gooey, and then when you're trying to stretch it, it just breaks. But it's pretty good because I think I stretched it too fast. But when you stretch it like really slow, it's pretty stretchy. Not as stretchy as other slimes we've made, but it's kind of stretchy. So here you go. That one gets your hands feeling like there's like somebody poured a bucket of oil on your hands. So there's that one. I'll close this one so it doesn't get dried out in the meantime. This slime is 50-50. It could have gone horribly bad, or it could have gone really good. I think it turned out pretty good. I think I'm gonna go ahead and rate the slimes. Oh, I know we got to do his. Okay. So I'll put this back in here until we rate them in like 2-3 minutes.
We gotta get yours.
We're gonna do yours now. So his is like, I don't know if you can see this. His is like it's way darker when I'm holding it than it is on camera. That's like common sense stuff.
But bro, don't broke it, Kate.
It sticks back together. Don't worry. His is like it doesn't make that much of a poking sound. What's wrong? Look at the camera. Aw. His is like I don't think his makes that much of a poking noise, but I'll still try though.
Did that happen on ASMR, Kate?
His is like he had it purple, black. I think that's black, or is that just purple? I think that's just purple and gold, but I might be wrong. I don't know if you can see that, but so yeah, his is purple and gold. We had a ton of shaving cream when we made his. This is why his feels so fluffy. It's
No, I want mine.
just like
I want mine, Kate.
I don't know how to explain it.
If you
It's
break
just
it, I'm
really-
gonna be sad.
It's just really like weird because it looks like it's like a really stretchy gooey slime, but then when you try and stretch it, it just breaks.
You broke my slime.
Jace, look at the camera. See, I didn't break it.
Oh.
That's his. Time to rate them. I think this video. I think this slime. I'll start off by rating these two. The mint and the aqua one. The aqua one, I'd say I'd give it about I think it's the best slime
It's
here.
so stressy when you
I give this about
break.
I give this about a 7 out of 10, maybe. And then there's this minty green kind of looking one. This one is about. This one's pretty good. This one I'd say is almost as equal to this one, but this one I kind of like this one better because of the color. So like if we're talking color and like color and stretchiness, I don't know, it's not a word, but it is one now. So I'd give this about a I give this about a 6 or 5. I think I give this about a 5 out of 10. It's pretty good. I'm just saying, when you, it's actually this sounds pretty good. No, let me check that out. I give it about like an 8. It's pretty good. It's just like I wish I had more of it. If I had more of it, I'd probably give it like a 10. But like on color wise and if it was a bit more green, it would be a bit better, I think. But I'd give this
this slime
I give this a different like 8 out of 10.
Video games TV.
So this is this slime, and then the next slime we're gonna review is we'll do his next, and then his is like
You broke mine.
Jace, look, I didn't break it. His is like
I want mine.
Yeah, here, take it. His is like, it makes your hand feel weird, but I kind of like it, so I'd give him about 7, probably a 7, because it's like, it's not that stretchy, because like when you try and stretch
No,
it.
I want mine.
Okay, look, Jace, if when you try and stretch it, it just like breaks, so.
You broke my slime.
So, I give him about a 7, and for mine that I made on Sunday, Sunday.
I made it at my cousin's house.
It's like, I'd say it's probably one of the worst slimes here. It's a really good slime, I'm just saying, like.
Do you undermine?
I think I added a bit too much glitter. I think I went a bit overboard, but like, I would have given this a higher rate. I didn't rate it yet, but I would give it a higher rate if like like slime after a few days gets more stiff and stiff and stiff. This one got really stiff. Like it's really hard to stretch. It just breaks. Just like breaks.
Happy birthday
So,
to you.
This
Happy
one.
birthday to you.
This one
Happy
is.
birthday to
I'd say I'll give this one
Susan.
about.
Happy birthday to you.
I'd give this one about a 5 out of 10. I'd give it a 5.
Yeah, Black Ninjago.
So I rated all those, and I'm gonna post on my Instagram soon at Cade Cross 1 on Instagram. Make sure to check out my cousin's Instagrams too. One is Bebe Edits, Bebe_edits. And then one is Sweaty Edits, I think. And then there's another one which is.
Griffy with a fight. Griffy.
Hey, Jace.
Yeah?
Quiet.